Hello and welcome to this video series. Now then, the first few videos in this series are going to cover items like what is PLR, some tips on acquiring quality PLR, and some time and money saving tips on buying a domain name and web hosting. Next, we're going to dive into making over a report, which is basically an ebook but only has 10 or 20 pages versus the 50 to 100 or more pages you might typically find in most ebooks. We're going to detail how to come up with a winning title for our made over report. And these same tips will help you write better copy for your sales pages, squeeze pages, emails, and even autoresponder content. In addition to changing the title, we'll be changing the content a little, as well as some of the graphics used within the report. After we do the makeover of the report, we're going to work on a PLR video. In the making over of the PLR video, we're going to cover things like adding an intro and call to action outro images, and some branding techniques with watermarks, and why in some cases these can be a great idea, and when these are a terrible idea. You're also going to learn different ways to change the look of the videos. These will help you stand apart from anyone else that might be trying to sell the same videos. In addition to changing the look of the PLR videos, we're going to also cover changing the sound as well, recording your own voiceovers and syncing it with the video, or a quicker technique of changing the way the video sounds that allows you to get the end product on the market much quicker. Even different ways to present your videos can set yours apart from anyone else that may be trying to sell the same videos. Now, while this video series looks at rebranding existing products to end up with a new product, I want to make it perfectly clear that PLR products can also be broken into pieces of content that can be added to other PLR products to make an even more unique rebranded item. So as you're going through the steps of rebranding whatever it is you're working on, try to think of other possible uses for that paragraph or chapter of the ebook or segment of the video or audio files that you're editing. For example, you might have an audio file and a video file on the same topic, and then there's this section in that video where a portion of that audio file will fit perfectly. So you do a brief intro to the audio, then transition into an image of the speaker and play that section of the audio. Or you have an ebook that you're rebranding and you remember having worked on an article pack within the same niche, so you pull an article or two from that package and insert them into the ebook. Now, these are just a couple of examples, but really the more projects that you work on, the more items like this are going to pop into your head, if you're thinking about it. So train yourself to be thinking of these things every time that you're editing your PLR. Now, I hope this is getting you excited about the possibilities of what you can do when you know different ways to make over your PLR products. Also in this video series, you'll learn how to create and add PayPal buttons to your sales page, as well as other editing tips and techniques for your sales page that will help make it more effective in pulling in more sales. That will bring me to the end of this introduction video for this video series. Thanks for watching, and you have a great day.